What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Today I will do an unboxing of the Mpow H12 active noise cancelling headphones, and I would say let's get right into it after the intro. So there was a deal for the Mpow H12 active noise cancelling wireless headphones. So these are Bluetooth headphones and they have active noise cancelling and they have really good reviews on Amazon. So I got them for around 36 euros. Usually they are around 55 euros or $60, something like that. So I would say we unbox this and then we have a quick look on it, and yeah, then I will show you, or I will share my impressions with you. Let's go. So the packaging is like a typical China product. I don't know, not the nicest packaging. Let's put this aside. You see we have a pouch here. We have a little plastic bag here. So we have a micro USB cable to charge them, and we have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, because you can also use them with the cable if you're on a plane or something like that. So you can see that here as well, headphone connection to TV with the cable and stuff. So we have a little manual, warranty card, whatever. I will put those things aside as well, and we have a look what's inside the pouch. The pouch feels a bit cheap, to be honest, but yeah, it does the job. Let's take them out. Let's put the pouch aside. So here we have the headphones. They click into place. Okay, we can turn them. So that's how they look. Let's have a look around. We have the micro USB cable. Here we have the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We have buttons, forward, back, and play, pause, and that's also the power button, and I guess it will be also used for plus, minus, so for volume up, volume down. And here we have the noise cancelling button. Yeah, you can extend them so they are bigger. They size-wise they look okay. I'm always afraid that they are a bit too big, and yeah, inside it feels a bit hard, but hopefully you don't feel that on your ear. Could be softer. You feel the plastic underneath that, but this feels really soft. It's not memory foam, but yeah. Also this here feels really nice and soft. So here it's already hard again, but this is soft here. So yeah, I think overall for that price, I mean, like I said, I paid 36 euros for them. That's really good. That's a deal, and they are brand new, so it's not like a warehouse deal that they are used or anything. Honestly, for that price, I have to say look and feel is really nice. You have the Mpow logo here. So let's see, when you click them back. Yeah, so this is how you would transport them. Don't know if you can turn this fully. I don't think so, no. Okay, yeah, I would say I will check them out real quick and give you my final thoughts on them. I mean, I'm not an audiophile or something, so this won't be like an in-depth review. Usually I use the Apple AirPods, but yeah, let's see how they sound, and I will let you know how the noise cancelling works as well.
A few moments later.
Alright, so what are my thoughts now on the headphones? I have to say I'm really impressed. For that price, they sit really tight on my head. It's almost like the noise cancelling starts with putting them on your head, because they are really they close everything, so it doesn't hurt. I can't feel the plastic. I was saying in the unboxing that I feel the plastic. I don't feel that at all. They are really soft. They feel good. The bass is really nice, and the buttons are all on the back side. So here I turn on the noise cancelling now, and now it filters out all the deep noise of my voice, so the bass in my voice, I would say. It gets filtered out by the headphones. It sounds really high now in the headphones, and it's a bit weird. You hear a little white noise, but I don't have music on the headphones right now, so I guess you won't hear that when you're in a louder environment, because then it will filter out all the noise, like on the engine on the plane, or if you're on the train or something like that, or on the subway. So it will filter out everything of those background noises. And I have to say, I'm really impressed for that price. The only downside, I would say, is maybe the cable. It's a bit cheap and it's hard to show you on the camera. I will take it in half. So when you take it in half, that's like, I don't know, maybe a feet long or a meter, however you count. So I don't think that's the longest cable, but it will do the job. So if I have my phone in my pocket, it reaches from the headphones down to my pocket. And also the Bluetooth, it was really fast. I will have the screen recording on the side here, so you can see how fast it was connected to my phone, turning on Bluetooth. A couple of seconds later, my iPhone found it, connected, and on the other side you can control the volume. It's pretty straightforward. So I guess everyone who used Bluetooth headphones before, like regular Bluetooth headphones who have buttons, will get used to them really quick. The sound is really nice, especially when the noise cancelling is on. The bass is really nice. So I was impressed, I have to say. And like I said, I'm not an audiophile or something like that, so it's not like a review I can give you. For that price, I have to say I'm really impressed. You can't really go wrong. Usually they are like 55 euros, $60, around that price. I paid 35, 36 for them, and that's a no-brainer for that price. So I would say that's it for this video. If you liked the video, leave a like, hit the subscribe and bell button so you get notified about all my upcoming videos here on my channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and see you next time.